Would you guys believe if I tell you that I literally forgot that I was supposed to record my voiceover for this part 2? And ever since then, it never occurred to me to complete this video. So hi guys, it's Som here, and this is a part 2 of the video I posted weeks ago. So here I was coiling back and forth, and it was as if I was struggling with this coiling. If you guys notice, I'm not here good with coiling my wigs, but that's fine, let's go. Oof, Jesus, my clipping technique is so poor. Jesus, I just saw this thing now. And mind you guys, this video has been like, I made it like weeks ago, and I'm so much better at coiling. I think I'm going to upload a new video on my coiling techniques. Jesus, I'm so bad at this. Oh, hey, wahala. This is when we got to the front part. I was trying to get my patterns to be very clean, because it's only clean jobs that we do over here. And this is how I separate the fronts. I use my hair wax to get everything to be smooth. Then I go in with my hot comb to flatten everything out. I hope you guys remember that this was an 18 inches Bonestraight, right? Yes. I was trying to make it bouncy. Will you guys believe also if I tell you that the calls that was made on this week did not even last me like 12 hours? The day I brought it out to wear, the way the calls dropped, I was so heartbroken. It was looking like a wig that was not straightened. I was so heartbroken. That was when I realized that I did not do a good job. Then I also told myself that I was going to keep this wig straight. No coiling, no looking for new style. I'm just going to keep it straight. But anyways, let's watch and see how I called the front. I think it's looking good, sha. It looks good though. So after I finished molding to the edges, I sprayed it a lot with got2b spray, holding spray. It did not hold shit. See my calls, they were so weak. Some were fine, some were not good safe. I think it was because I did not have enough pins to hold the calls up. So I resorted to taking really, really large piece of hair and coiling them together. I think next time I'm going to get more. I've not even gotten pins now. I'm going to get more pins and work in smaller sections. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.